mayhem here. It's an Electric Mayhem concert.
This is a Muppet News Flash. Record crowds are here at the sold-out Electric Mayhem concert. But who's not here? The Electric Mayhem.
The Electric Mayhem is late to their own concert. Let's show them how mad we are. Mayhem! No, it's more from the diaphragm. Try like this.
Guys, Electric Mayhem.
All right.
Excuse me, Electric Mayhem. Yeah, Electric Mayhem. We should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we were late?
But I
don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Take your hearing aids out.
What's that? I can't hear you. I took my hearing aids out. You know something on their foot? I couldn't even hear the music over all their screaming.
Yeah, it's great. Keep it up, please.
The acoustics here are terrible.
I can hear the music just fine.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Hey, Stadler, you think the band takes requests?
Oh, what'd you have in mind?
Go home. Oh.